In this video, you will learn 100 everyday objects in English with simple example sentences. Now, let's start with the first object. Phone. I forgot my phone on the table. Key. She can't find her key in the bag. Wallet. His wallet is full of coins. Chair. The chair is very comfortable. Table. We ate dinner at the table. Bed. I sleep in a soft bed every night. Pillow. This pillow helps me sleep better. Blanket. He covered himself with a warm blanket. Cup. She drank tea from a small cup. Glass. The glass is full of water. Bottle. I bought a bottle of juice. Bag. Her bag is on the floor. Backpack. The backpack is heavy with books. Shoes. My shoes are wet from the rain. Socks. I wear clean socks every day. Shirt. He wore a blue shirt to work. Pants. My pants are too short for me. Jacket. She put on a warm jacket. Hat. His hat is on the chair. Watch. The watch shows the wrong time. Laptop. I use my laptop for online classes. Computer. The computer is on the desk. Mouse. The mouse is next to the keyboard. Keyboard. She types fast on the keyboard. Television. We watched a movie on the television. Remote. The remote is under the sofa. Light. The light in this room is very bright. Lamp. The lamp is on the nightstand. Book. This book is very interesting. Notebook. He wrote his notes in the notebook. I'd like to make a quick reminder, we're still a very new channel. Your support is very important to us. If you found the video useful, please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you in advance. Now let's move on to the next word. Pen. The pen is out of ink. Pencil. She drew a picture with a pencil. Paper. I need a piece of paper to write. Scissors. The scissors are sharp. Ruler. He measured the line with a ruler. Clock. The clock shows 9 o'clock. Calendar. The calendar is on the wall. Mirror. She looked at herself in the mirror. Door. Please close the door. Window. The window is open. Curtain. The curtain is blue and white. Carpet. The carpet is soft under my feet. Shoe shelf. The shoe shelf is full. Fridge. The fridge is empty. Oven. I baked a cake in the oven. Microwave. The microwave heats food quickly. Plate. The plate is on the table. Fork. She put the fork next to the spoon. Spoon. He ate soup with a spoon. Knife. The knife is very sharp. Toothbrush. I brush my teeth with a new toothbrush. Toothpaste. The toothpaste tastes like mint. Soap. The soap is on the sink. Shampoo. She bought a bottle of shampoo. Towel. The towel is hanging on the hook. Comb. He fixed his hair with a comb. Hairdryer. The hairdryer is very loud. Razor. He shaved with a new razor. Toilet. The toilet is clean. Sink. The sink is full of water. Brush. She cleaned the floor with a brush. Trash can. The trash can is full of paper. Broom. The broom is behind the door. Mop. He cleaned the floor with a mop. Vacuum. The vacuum is in the closet. Fan. The fan makes the room cooler. Air conditioner. The air conditioner is not working. Heater. The heater keeps us warm. Stove. The stove is hot. Pan. She fried eggs in the pan. Pot. The pot is full of soup. Kettle. The kettle is boiling water. Blender. The blender makes a loud noise. Toaster. The toaster burned the bread. Freezer. The freezer is full of ice. Dish. This dish is delicious. Bowl. He ate cereal from a bowl. Tray. The tray is on the counter. Napkin. She wiped her hands with a napkin. Straw. He drank juice with a straw. Bottle opener. The bottle opener is missing. Can opener. She opened the can with a can opener. Umbrella. The umbrella is broken. Suitcase. His suitcase is very heavy. Ticket. The ticket is on the desk. Passport. She lost her passport at the airport. Newspaper. The newspaper is on the bench. Magazine. I read a fashion magazine. Envelope. He put the letter in an envelope. Stamp. The stamp is on the corner of the letter. Headphones. I listen to music with headphones. Speaker. The speaker is very loud. Camera. She took a photo with her camera. Charger. I need a charger for my phone. Battery. The battery is almost empty. Flashlight. The flashlight is very bright. Candle. The candle is on the table. Backpack zipper. The backpack zipper is broken. Wallet chain. His wallet chain is silver. Sunglasses. She wears sunglasses on the beach. You have just learned 100 everyday objects in English with example sentences. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.